Welcome. Delete a cube. Add a cylinder. Scale it small. Scale it in Z-axis. Add a plane. Go to edit mode. Subdivide it and increase the number of cuts. Select the edge joining the pole. Make then a group. Back to object mode. Add cloth physical property. Make the mass to 0.08. And scroll down and select the shape to group. Play the animation. You're now at the wind force. Place it in a proper direction. Change the strength to 380. And flow to 10. Noise to 10. And play the animation. Adjust the factors as per your wish. And see the result. Cool. Even try vortex by changing type option. And decrease the strength too. Thank you.